What it do, YouTube? It's your boy, Rick Kinda Kid. And today we out here at the car show for PC Custom, and your boy finna check out what they got, all the rides they got. See how it's going, see what's going down. We finna make something happen. And just look at all the cars, people still pulling up. The car show going from 12 to 6. Right now it's like 2:30, so I wanted to see how many people pull up first and stuff like that. But your boy finna get into this car show, and hey, let's check out these rides, bro. It's over. Sorry, I got a whole different outfit, it's a different day, but I forgot to end out yesterday's video of the car show. The car event was lit, dog. I got to see some cool stuff, old stuff, new stuff, everything in between. And I'm gonna tell you, the car show was nice. I didn't stay the whole thing to see who won trophies, who got the best cars and all that stuff. Cause I think the event was giving out, the best car on Forgiato got like $500. The best female car got $500, and best show car got $1,000. So with that being said, yeah, I didn't stay to the end to see who won, but I did get to see that one car in the beginning. It was like I think it was a black SS Seville or something like that, but it was at the Vic Rock Car Show. And I did get to catch that, so you can see the key was on there. He was at the Vic Rock Car Show, got first place. Hey, but that's lit, That's a good part to the video. So, like I said, it was a nice little car show. I was glad I was able to go. Take my son. It was fun. We had fun. Looked at a lot of stuff, seen a lot of stuff. Man, hey, that's just the point of the video. And I just gotta keep making more, so I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and your boy's out. Peace.